Hey, Dr. Kate Walker, and I'm going to be going over my client intake paperwork, and I'm going to start with the face sheet. So just a quick look at it. Today's date, name of therapist, that looks good. Our practice has had as many as 10 therapists all the way down to just me, so I may actually keep that line. I'm not really sure yet. Client information, how many people will be seeing the therapist today. Since I'm a marriage and family therapist, I could have one person, I could have 5 people in the room. So that lets me know sort of what to plan for, how many chairs to put out, that kind of thing. Name, date of birth, and then of course, you're only seeing part of it, but this is line 1, this is line 2, and then we can put more information on the back. It's pretty comprehensive. The address, the zip, contact number, alternate number, email. We really collect most of this when we get their information in our online scheduling system, but it's a good idea to have it here as well. It's interesting. Check out if okay to leave a message. That's back from the days of answering machines. I honestly don't think we need that anymore, just because when we call, we're generally not getting a house phone anymore. We're getting a cell phone, and that's really only going to one person. But just to be prudent, we'll probably leave that in. If the client is a minor, less than 18 years of age, we have some questions here. Responsible party, contact number, alternate number, same questions about if it's okay to leave a message. We'll also make a note here, and I may adjust this. That's to call the parent. We don't call minors at this practice. We only call the parent. But this is important to comply with both Texas LPC and LMFT. If the client is a minor and the subject of a custody arrangement, we must have that divorce decree on file. So we have that, and of course NA would be if there's no custody arrangement at all. I'm going to keep scrolling. Everything looks good. All right, additional information here at the bottom. We do get an emergency contact name and number. In case of an emergency, we want our client's permission to be able to contact a mom or a dad or a neighbor or a partner, someone who they feel comfortable as their emergency contact. Continuing to scroll, information about fees and insurance. We don't accept third-party payments, so we have to make sure that we get our client to sign that they understand that. I understand that my provider today is out of network and I must pay my fee in full by cash check or a credit card. As a courtesy, I will be given information by my therapist, and that's our global bill, we give that to them as a courtesy so they can submit it to their insurance. So I think that's it. Everything looks good. All right, I'll go on to the next paperwork.